All right, so now we've made a little run down here towards one of the passes. This happens to be Pass Grill, one of the prettiest places on the west coast of Florida.
Oh yeah.
We got Pass Grill over here on our starboard. There's Tierra Verde on our port. Shell Island right in front of us. And if you come around here and you look at this chart plotter, we've discussed this before, how I set these up where basically anything in the white is 6 foot or deeper, the light blue is 6 to 3, and the dark is 3 foot or less. So with this east wind we've got going, the further offshore we get, it's going to be rough. It's going to start getting rougher out here. So local knowledge is a great thing. If you look here, there's a little swash channel or a cut you can take. So if it's blowing too hard here on the west coast of Florida and you got an east wind, it's going to be calm along the Gulf beaches along this inside here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come up here. So instead of running 1.5 miles offshore where we're going to get bounced around, we're just going to hook the corner here and then run right down the beach. All right, hang on, here we go. So as we're coming up to the swash channel, I don't know if you can be able to see it in the camera, but you can see where the shallower, lighter colored water is, and then there's kind of a dark streak that goes right around the corner there. That's basically what we're going to do. We're going to kind of hang out in that dark spot and run right around the corner and stay nice and calm. There it shows us hooking the corner right here, coming right around. Now we're out in the Gulf. You got the beach over here. Look at this, it's just pancake. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, everybody, so just the point of this whole exercise was just pay attention to wind direction. Look at your charts or your maps that you've got, and you can typically find a place on the leeward side to go out and have a good day. As long as the wind's not super crazy. I mean, small craft advisories, you're probably going to forget it. Small craft exercise caution the same, but if you got a little bit of breeze, you can find a place to tuck in out of the weather.
Yep, you're not going to be having very much fun if you're getting battered by waves all day. So a little bit of know-how, a little bit of knowledge, and even if it's not the perfect weather situation, you can still come out here, have a good time.
So I hope that helps, guys, and guess what? Of course, we'll see you out on the water.
I guess.